Hi, Bob Chesney for Unique Tool in Manufacturing with another in our Achieving Lower Cost series. We appreciate the research and cooperation of Dr. David Anderson of HalfCostProducts.com. In parts 1 and 2 of this series, we recalled the strategy of W. Edward Deming, who called for small, incremental improvement in each step of the process to achieve a dramatic total gain. We touched on 6 of the 10 steps: your product portfolio, the design of your products, your part and raw material variety standardization, your manufacturing process, your work in progress, and your finished goods inventory. Now let's look at the final 4. 7th is the distribution network. Now this is the step where offshore manufactured parts begins to show its dark side. For starters, it's impossible to integrate boatloads of parts into a lean production workflow without incurring hidden handling and inventory costs. Shipping delays, I don't have to tell you, are common, as any seasoned production manager will tell you. And the seemingly cheapest parts often become the most expensive. So in your pricing model, look at the total assembled cost, not just the initial quoted price. 8th, the configurators and data links. By creating spontaneous supply chains that can pull parts into production on demand without forecasts or automatic resupply, that reduces procurement from your overhead costs and ensures the efficiency of your lean production system. Now here's the bonus. Depending on your supplier, that can lower parts costs because the right partner can forecast your needs and then buy raw materials accordingly, passing the savings on to you. 9th, your vendor base. Now there's an old expression, too many cooks in the kitchen can ruin a lean operation. There's nothing like the thrill of watching multiple vendors pointing fingers at each other when deadlines get missed or a quality control issue surfaces. The solution is to find vendors that take responsibility for several aspects of your needs. For example, a vendor who designs, manufactures, and handles the logistics of your just-in-time deliveries can take a lot of potential grief right off your plate. And 10th, the supply chain logistics. When your parts absolutely, positively have to arrive, dock, to your assembly line, the more roadblocks you remove, the smoother the delivery. So whether it's bread truck deliveries or a Kanban resupply of appropriate parts, you want to seek out a vendor who's well located geographically for your needs, but is geared to ship anywhere, anytime. The last thing you need to hear is, "Oh, sorry, we couldn't ship today." So the final 4 steps: your distribution network, your order entry, vendor base, and your supply chain logistics. And as I said in the previous 2 modules, just a 1% improvement in each creates synergy. And very quickly that 1% becomes 2%, and 2% can become 3%. Confucius said the longest journey begins with the smallest step. I want to wish you the best in your successful climb to the zenith of supply chain management cost reduction. Till next time, this is Bob Chesney for Unique Tool in Manufacturing, your one-stop source for stamped parts, manufacturing, design, and international and domestic logistics. For more education, please visit our website at uniquetool.com.